The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for southern Durham County until 1 a.m. At 9:56 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Durham, Chapel Hill, Bethesda, Parkwood, Research Triangle, Antelope State Park, Longview Marina, Falls Lake, and Jordan Lake. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flash. Durham, Bethesda, and have fallen. Additional rain. Parkwood.
At Thomas Tire.
Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 Lake and Jordan. Most of flood deaths occur. Flooding. Flooding of creeks and streams. Flooding. Locations that will experience flash flooding include Durham, Chapel Hill, Bethesda, Parkwood, Research Triangle, Antelope State Park, Longview Marina, Falls Lake, and Jordan Lake. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 1 a.m. Saturday for the following county: Durham,